markets trading down just slightly this morning. A lot of it has to do with China. I am here with Ben Willis from Sunrise Security. So Ben, you were hearing some rumors yesterday about a coup in China, and then I didn't really hear any more on that, but you're also hearing some more about that. Tell us what you're hearing.
Well, today the news story is that the Chinese internet police, for whatever lack of a better term, has shut down the ability to search for B.O., the gentleman who was displaced from leadership. Supposedly his head of his police force has defected to the United States. So there's a lot of stories going back and forth. As you mentioned the other day, there was a story about a coup. We heard from some Chinese press on the floor that there was military rolling into Beijing, but not being reported anywhere else. So just something to keep an eye on. The story we can talk about on China is the fact that their PMI number, according to Hong Kong Shanghai Bank, is seeing yet again another slowdown, a deceleration.
And so, of course, that is the big concern because so many companies and countries are dependent upon this Chinese growth to keep things going. And if we start to see a slowdown with them, that could affect a lot of things. Absolutely.
That they are the engine that has driven the whatever growth we've had in the world over the last year or so. And that deceleration, not necessarily going to recession like we heard today from the European PMI numbers, but the deceleration numbers said a market that is looking forward has to reprice a less and lower expectations of going forward is the simple way to look at it. So that's what we're seeing today, a bit of a pullback. We've actually started to test some support on the S&P around 1388, 87 this morning. We've managed to bounce off, but if we go through that, that's not going to be a good sign either.
All right, so there you have it. We have a little bit of slowing growth in China and also a rumored coup.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to